Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about how to use TradingView. In this video I will teach you how to use the TradingView. In this video we are going to watch how to use TradingView. TradingView is one of the basic tool for trading technical analysis. We use technical analysis tool for TradingView. In this video we can see how to use. If you are new to TradingView, go to the Google and search for Trading. If you are new member, you could not find the login page. I am already logged in, so you cannot see login. Go to the search box, which pair do you know? Pick forex and go to which pair you know. Okay, launch. Okay, you can see the chart like this. Okay, now I see how to. Oh, if you can see the candle is red and green. I will show you how to change this. In this video, I will change. So down there is a bar. You can see the bar chart. So left click the bar and you can hide. Press hide. Next, go to the settings. Go to the settings and go to the canvas and change the background. If the background is in, you can see in this video, you have seen the background was in square shape. You can change this into none. The background has been changed. Okay, so you can see the background was plain. Next, you can go to settings, go to body. Okay, I don't like red color, so I can change to black color. It is my color I use for trading. So bearish candle I use for red color and bullish candle I use for green color. Okay, I have readied my candle. Okay, this is my chart. Okay, now you have to understand how to use. You can see how clean. Keep the chart very clean. It seems something good. In the right side shows the price. Now you cannot see my RMR. So go to the setting, click setting, and go to my crossbar. Keep it black. You can see my crossbar, which is black color. So I don't like over black. So light black. Okay. Press okay. Okay. Next, go to setting. Okay, in this video, it is the crossbar we use. This is a crossbar. We use this is a dot. We use cross for our trading analysis. It is useful for identify the price. Okay, second, which is a Fibonacci tool we use for trading for something pair, which like I use this sometime for retracement. This is one of the super mathematical tool. It helps to you. Next, we can go to the it is one of the major entry. For entry, you can use this. The left side there are two types of entries: long position and short position. Next, we can go to our how to calculate the pip. It is one of the tool too easy to calculate the pip. You can find how many pip it has been gone. Okay. Next, we can search it is a magnet tool. Okay, why this stay in drawing mode? If I am going to start my trading, okay, I am typing something here. Next, I am going to type something here. We cannot type because of when you press this, you can type here. That's it. Okay, if I think here market how to how to use trading view trading view. Okay, now changing the font, you can go here and click the font. You can click it to black. You can click this also. While removing this, you can go like this. Okay, I have changed my font to black. Okay, here going to change it into black. How to increase the font size? Go to this. Oh no, font size has been increased. Okay, next we are going to forward. Next now, what is important tool we can see we use for trend line for drawing trend line. It's easy to draw. Oh, the length of the trend line is very thick. Then go to this and keep this. So symbol. Next, you can know something. If you are drawing a trend line, you cannot do it. It will go like this. So you proper trend line, you press shift, it will be in correct 90 degree. If you in shift position, you can have proper position. That's a follow. Next, I'll see how to use. If you are a beginner, you can use the paper trading method from this. There is an option to trade from this. In down, there is an option. Click this maximization panel. Okay, okay, this way. These are the major tools I have been using. In the top there is an indicator. You can use the indicator for trading. Next which type of the candle, but you can use this type. You can use the volume body based on your types. Okay, next we can change your candle to a candle. We use only candle, Japanese candlestick in this video. As this is the place where to remove. We can add which types of. Here you can remove this like this, and you can add which could you like. Okay, here's the thing. You can add if you are forex trader, you can add this Euro USD, JPBSD. Upcoming video, I will say about what how to choose the currency pair, what are the types of currency pair. This video you could understand how to use the meta trading view application. These are the basic steps to use the trading view for technical analysis. This is one of the super tool. Compared to MetaTrader, we have many special features in this. Okay, there are many time frame. You can choose 1 minute chart. If you need 1 minute chart at the top, you can press. I use 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and day frame, and I use that. That one. You can choose your time frame like this, which is good for you. In this video, you can choose. Okay, in this video, you have understand. I think you have understand how to use this pairs, this tool. This is one of the most important tool in the trading. You can use MetaTrader. MetaTrader is so hard. It is a very user friendly. Okay, you can see this and you can understand the video. Okay, we can see in the studio. You can understand the video. I hope you can understand. If you have doubt, you can mention a comment section. Okay, thank you. We can see in next video how to choose a currency pair. Thank you.